Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we've got here is the 420mm Turbo Devil patio cleaner, stainless steel. I'm just going to show you about the filter that's inside here. So what we've got, and also on the system itself, how it works. 22mm screw fitting on the top. We then need the 22mm spanner, and what we'll do is unscrew that. Now if you look in the top of it, you will see there's a filter there. And what you've simply got there is a little O-ring that holds it in place, and then that there can just be taken out. We've then got the filter in place, out. That can be cleaned and dropped back in. So always remember that that filter is there to protect the system. So to stop any dirt getting into the jets. Back down. Now we've undone this part as well, and this is where the swivel part with the O-rings are as well. You'll see on here. So if we just simply take that little part out, you will see where the O-rings are that sometimes need replacing. And inside there are the O-rings. If that ever gets worn, you just replace the whole lot. Like I say, it is a swivel, it is a moving part, and there's the O-rings that go inside there, and that's just sat inside there. Thank you very much, Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.